Have you ever heard that a camel is actually forcibly fed a live snake? And that too a highly poisonous snake like a king cobra. In some of the desert tribes, this strange tradition still continues even today. A live snake is caught and then stuffed directly into the camel's mouth. And then it is washed down into its stomach by pouring water on top. But the most important question is, does this actually benefit the camel? Or is it just cruelty being forced upon this innocent creature? Let us understand this mystery from the perspective of science. In some desert tribes of North Africa and some areas of the Middle East, where camels are the biggest support of people's lives, for riding, milk, meat, and a means to cross the desert. This belief has been going on there for centuries. These tribes believe that camels have a special disease which they call hayam. It is said that in this disease, the camel completely stops eating and drinking, and its body starts to stiffen up, and it just stands there, staring at the sun. And these tribes believe that there is only one cure for this disease: to send a live poisonous snake, like a king cobra, straight down into the camel's stomach. They believe that the snake's venom spreads through the camel's body and makes it even stronger. But now comes the real question. Is there any truth to this at all? And the answer to that is absolutely not. From a scientific point of view, this tradition has no basis at all. Animal experts and research from all over the world clearly state that feeding snakes does not cure any disease in camels. There is no evidence of it happening. This is just a superstition that has probably been passed down from books and hearsay from hundreds of years ago. On the contrary, it is an extremely cruel act. A camel is a completely herbivorous animal. Its stomach is designed to digest grass, leaves, dates, and thorny bushes, not a live snake. Another false claim spread in the video is that a camel eats a snake on its own when it falls ill, which is completely wrong. No herbivorous animal eats a live snake of its own free will. Now let us understand what actually happens. If a camel is really fed a snake, one of two things happens. First, if the snake is poisonous and it bites the camel's tongue or inside its mouth while it is being fed. So theoretically, there is a risk of the poison spreading. However, the surprising thing is that until today, no solid case has ever really come forward where a camel died in this way. Secondly, if the snake goes straight down into the stomach, then the camel's stomach acid is so incredibly powerful that the snake's entire body slowly dissolves and gets digested, and the rest of it comes out through the waste, meaning the snake does not give the camel any strength in any way.